Never start a job without these 5 key things that you're going to need to be successful on all your crack sealing projects. First off, you want to have a measuring wheel so you can measure out the cracks, the number of linear feet that you're going to go crack seal. Remember, you're charging about $1 a linear foot when you're going out to crack seal with around 80% margin. Next is you're going to want to have a crack cleaning machine. That crack cleaning machine allows you to get into those cracks, cleaning them out from all dirt, debris, and vegetation, making sure that crack sealer bonds to the sidewalls, creating a watertight seal. Once you've cleaned out those cracks, there's going to be that dirt, debris, and vegetation that's spun out onto the surface. You go ahead and use a blower, either a backpack blower or one of our push blowers here at Asphalt Kingdom. Once you've cleaned off the complete surface, you're ready to get crack sealing with one of our push melter applicators. We have a wide range of push melter applicators, as well as stationary kettles with pour pots to apply your crack sealer into those cracks, creating a watertight seal. Also, make sure you have that 5th item, which is your crack sealer that goes into the kettle. You can find that hot pour crack sealer right here at AK, and that crack sealer goes from solid form to liquid form and then applies out of the valve. So those are the 5 key things that you're going to want to be successful in all your crack sealing projects. The list is down in the description right here below.